everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into PNC Bank Online step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in PNC Bank Login, and then you can hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying PNC Personal Banking, and then hit sign on at the top right of your screen. Here you'll have to enter a user ID along with your password and then hit sign on. But if you have not enrolled into online banking yet, simply tap on enroll in online banking. Here you'll have to fill in your details. Here you can select the type of PNC account that you would like to enroll in. For now we're going to be tapping on personal and then hitting next. Here you can use your social security number, individual taxpayer identification number, or tap on I didn't use any of these, in which case you'll have to enter your passport number and your PNC credit card number, hit next, and follow the on-screen instructions, and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create a password and username for yourself, after which you'll be able to head back over to the login screen and log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.